We have an update on our 2020 Kia Soul. It is back from the dealership for the second time. Let me run down what happened from the beginning so you guys truly understand and know that buying new doesn't mean you're going to get taken care of. Let's start from the beginning. This thing started having issues, started ticking, started making a lot of noises that I question as a mechanic, knowing there's a problem. We took it down. They had it for 2 months. They barely found that the timing chain tensioner had failed. Their course of action was just to replace the tensioner. Not the chain, not the guides, nothing. Just the tensioner, put it back together, send it out the door. They didn't even put a valve cover gasket on it the first time. The valve cover gasket leaked and got oil down in the cylinder, causing a misfire, which prompted the second trip. On the second trip, guys, this is where the dealership completely went off the rails. They failed to do the repair properly. Then they decided to shortcut it and not want to fix it. This was frustrating because it was all under warranty. This was free money to the dealership from the manufacturer to fix it. But they decided we're just going to be a pain and let it sit for another 2 months before we fix it. Not only that, but they chose to say, we couldn't hear what you're hearing. We don't know how to diagnose this. The computer doesn't tell us anything's wrong with the car. Newsflash, dummy. When your check engine light comes on for a stretched timing chain, you're already too late. That tells you the timing is jumped and you're done. There is no saving the motor at that point. But they chose not to go that route. Instead, they called me back down and I had to sit with the mechanic for less than 1 minute for us to hear the engine chattering with no load on it. They proceeded to tear it down. They put a timing chain in it this time. They put a tensioner in it this time. And supposedly they put a new valve cover gasket in it this time. They also replaced the guides, which all should have been standard process for the first time it went in for a bad tensioner on the timing chain. That would have been okay, but when we came to pick it up, basically we were told it was good to go. When we got there, I found grease in the back seat where they stored the parts. I asked them to clean it. They ran it through. They just did a soap scrubber on the seat, which does nothing for grease. I will be doing a separate video on how to fix that issue if you run across it. I know this one was a bit of a rant, guys. I'm really frustrated with how the dealerships are treating customers, especially someone who bought one of their vehicles brand new off their lot. This is why I'm saying that dealerships fail their customers and why people are more likely to buy used, because the used have the bugs worked out of it. If we would buy this car later on in life, I would have noticed that tick right away. We would have went and bought a different car. That being said, we bought this one under warranty, so I had to fight the dealer to get this stuff fixed. If you guys are going through this same situation, make sure you leave some comments down below. If you guys like the content I'm bringing you guys, I've got a lot more coming on this one. Guys, we just started this project. This is going to be a big one. Make sure you guys are hitting that like button, hit the subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.